It's a standard Dometic fridge. It's in quite a few of our units. It operates on both propane and AC power. So up here we have two buttons. We have an on and off switch, as well as the auto and gas button. The auto and gas button is going to allow you to switch between the automatic mode, which will use AC power every time it is available. So every time you're plugged into a park box or anything like that, or a generator. And we'll automatically switch to propane gas if your propane is open and you happen to lose power. If you want to just specifically use gas, you can press this button and pull it out there. You'll notice the light goes out, and that'll allow you to use specifically propane gas. If the check light comes on, then you'll know that you're getting low on propane. Inside the fridge here, we have this large metal fin up here, and that is responsible for the cooling of your fridge. If you can see inside here, we have a little thermostat that slides inside this plastic clip. That is what actually regulates the temperature. So you need to make sure that this clip and this thermostat are attached to this metal fin at all times. And then, in order to actually change the temperature of your fridge, you just slide this up and down along the fin, and the lower you are, the warmer it will be. The higher you are, the cooler your fridge will be. The last thing to tell you about your fridge there, they do come equipped with these little plastic clips. They are to be used for wintertime storage only, never when you are actually towing your trailer. And they'll just allow you to keep your fridge door from completely closing, which will give you some ventilation as you store it over the winter months.